Hello ladies, it's Stella here again, and I've got a new challenge for you. I was under a little bit of pressure to do this, but I've been thinking about it for a few weeks now, and yeah, let's just go for it, shall we? The thing is, the gardening journal is a very big topic. There are lots of different ways you can approach it. And because I love gardening and it's one of my favourite things to do, I was thinking, shall I do a botanical one? Shall I do a planner type? Shall I do a pretty pictorial one? What would suit everybody and what would please me? And I've finally found this kit by Wildflower Whiskers with 2 S's. I'll put a link below. This was the one I thought would appeal to most people. It's called the Potting Shed. So if you want to do the challenge with me, that is make a junk journal using this kit, then please put in the comments below that you want to join in, and we'll take it from there. You will have to buy the kit because I didn't have time to do a kit myself like this one. It would have taken me weeks and I wanted to get on with it, so I'll show you the kit. Wildflower Whispers, the Potting Shed. These are the main pages. That's all I'm going to show today. The kit, by the way, was quite cheap. It's on offer at the moment at £3.34 in England. It will be different for those of you in America, but you can look it up and see, and I thought it was very reasonable. Then you have to print it out yourself and we'll go from there. So this is one page. On the back is another of the pages. This is second page, and that's plain because the next page that I printed didn't go on the right paper. It picked up for some reason the ordinary copier paper. So what I'm going to do, in a way I was glad it happened because now I can show you how I tackled that problem. So this is the ordinary copier paper. This is a thicker paper. And if I put one on top of the other, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew along that line and along the corresponding line at the bottom, and then I will have 2 pockets, one in there and one in there when I fold it up. So that takes care of that problem, doesn't it? And it also gives you 2 pockets. Here we go again. I haven't folded these yet, as you see. I'm going to fold them soon. But on the back is a backing paper which comes with the kit. Here's the next page. Lovely, aren't they? Lovely pages, I thought. And this is a backing page that comes with the kit. And yes, it does come with that grubbiness on it. It's supposed to be like that. There's another page. And on the back you've got working pages, so you can enter what you've planted, what you've bought, or however you want to do it. Next page is like this. And on the back is a collage page. So you could use that separately. You could make a separate page of that one and cut it up to make tags. But I've left it on the back of that one. Here's the next page. Got your butterflies on there. Now, I've used a page from another kit that I had. It was the cookery kit from My Porch Prints. but you can use one of your own, whichever one you like. I tried to go with some of the colours. There's plenty of colours here to choose from, so I'm sure you've got a backing page somewhere in one of your other kits, or you can draw one, or you can use a plain one. That's what I used. Here's the welly boots. I love those, love the welly boots. And again, on the back, I used a page from another kit that I've got. Next page. Lovely little shed, isn't it? I love my shed too. And again, I've used one of my other backing pages. And this is the last one. And I've just noticed that she's got that back to front. So you'll have to look in the mirror to read that. But we can do something about that when we get to it, can't we? And on the back, again, another page that I had in my stash. You might have noticed that I've left the borders on. These white borders, I've left those on because they don't bother me. I might go and use my blending tool and make them look a bit more vintagey, or I might not. They really don't bother me, but if you wanted to cut them off, obviously you could. And a lot of it will be obscured anyway if you were to decorate the sides, put tabs on or whatever. So that's the kit I'm going to be using, and I'll show you how I do the journal as we go along. So if you want to join along, let me know in the comments, and you will have to go and buy the kit yourself. There are other things in the kit, but I'll leave those for you to find out. There was one other thing. Here is something you can do yourself. That's just taken that straight off the printer. Sharon sent me a lovely placemat, cloth one with embroidery on it, and I photocopied that to make a plain page, you know, a page with lots of space on it for writing or for making pockets or whatever. We'll see what we do with that as we go along. So I was just printing some of those off. I'm going to do it on the back as well. So let's see how many of you are interested in doing this. I'll leave it with you, and I'll look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.